Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and please consider subscribing, and hope you have a good time and enjoy the videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Revell 64 Chevy pickup Fleetside 125 scale. This kit come out in 1996, right there. And here's a side view. As here says, a truck lover's delight. The 64 Fleetwood model has become a classic in recent years. Full width pickup bed constructed as a one-piece unit. Detailed stock 283 V8 engine, one of my personal favorites. Commercial graphics and engine detailing decals. That'll be interesting to see. Molded in white, transparent red, and clear with chrome plated parts and black vinyl tires. Alrighty. Kit number 7613. Very nice job on whoever built that one. Very nice. This here is a skill level 2 kit. Nothing on the bottom. Let's get right into this one. Hope you all are having a great day. And as promised, there's that big old one-piece bed right there. Well, we've got one big giant bag of molded in white parts. There we go, folks. There's the cab, and the fenders are attached. The inner fender wells are attached. This is really nice. This feels really nice. It's a little on the thinner side, but a lot of nice detail to it. The lines aren't all that sharp. You'll definitely have to scribe those in, but it feels marvelous. Just kidding. That's pretty sharp. Got the little spoiler effect on the roof there. That's pretty neat. And here's that one-piece bed. Alright. Got the wood boards cast in there. Molded in there, however you want to say it. Wonder if there's a front piece to go in here. Have to look and see. Tailgate is obviously separate. Alrighty. Not much detail on the bottom there, but then again, the real truck doesn't have much detail in that spot either. Okay, inside that bag were two little lights, marker lights. We'll put those in the bed, keep them safe. And here we have, I'm not sure if that's another roof, optional roof. Be curious to see what that ends up being. Or is it, oh, wait. No, it's not the hood. It's too small for the hood. Yeah, we'll have to look and see what that is when we get inside. Here's the dashboard. Very finely detailed. Hopefully there's some decals in there. Some shock absorbers. That may be a coolant reservoir. 4-bladed fan. Big old exhaust pipe. Single exhaust. A double drive shaft. And then this here's your interior area. We're not even going to call it a bucket. Got the little spots for the pedals to go. Alright. And on this tree we have the frame, which is separate, which is really nice. Nicely done on this. I really enjoyed seeing this. And here's your radiator core support and the radiator built in, shroud, a couple of coolant hoses. Steering column, steering linkage it looks like. That's it on that one. Big old bench seat. Doesn't look very comfortable. Look how thin that is. That wouldn't be very comfortable sitting on that. It'd be like sitting on the floor. Here's your 283 engine with the most likely, well, I didn't catch if it was automatic. No, this looks like a manual shift, so it's probably a 3-speed transmission. 283 engine, intake manifold, oil pan, air cleaner, alternator with a bracket attached, water pump and pulley cover, timing chain cover, fan belt and pulley system, exhaust manifolds, the old Ram's horn style stock exhaust. Boy, that was a mouthful. inner door panels. And it looks like this can be built to have opening doors. I didn't notice that on the body. Nope. Not sure on that. Maybe not, but it sure looked like it'd be a good challenge to try and do that. There's a firewall, pretty basic. Little spot for your master cylinder. I think this is a lower thing goes down here underneath the bumper. I don't know what the heck to call it. Like a roll pan kind of thing. Okay, here's that part for the back of the cab, which I was wondering if they had included, and they did. Here's your tailgate. Goes this way, so you can make sense of what it says. Some steel wheels. Some backings. Wheel backings. Another wheel backing. Not really sure what that is, or these. These might be hinges. Oh, these are parts of door hinges. So I'm betting you can go ahead and cut the doors open on the body and make it opening doors. Here's the hood. Beautiful hood. No detail whatsoever on the bottom of that. Bumper. Yep. Some big old hinges. I think these are hood hinges. I have to see when we get inside on that one. Here's the rear end and trailing arms. Battery. Carburetor. Master cylinder. Single bowl. Steering wheel. I think it goes that way. Yep. Front tie rods and center link, that kind of stuff. Distributor right there, bent over a little bit. Brake pedals, clutch pedal. And I'm assuming this is the fuel pedal here. Alrighty. Well, that was it for the white parts. No. Here's some inserts for white wall tires, just like the box art. And for chrome, we have the chrome grille, says Chevrolet on there. I don't know if you can read that on the camera. Nice bumper here. I think this is the rear bumper. Oh no, this is the front bumper. This is the rear bumper. Some dog dish hubcaps, again to match the box art. Some handles, door handles, mirror brackets, and a rear view mirror, and windshield wipers. Well, that's it for parts, guys. Huh. Oh no, I lied. Here we go. Got wow. Now, this kit hasn't been opened by me since 1996. No one else has ever opened it. It come with a big old scratch in the windshield. Back window, side vent glasses, those are nice. And a chrome, a clear cube. Not really sure what that's for. And headlights. Alright. For tires, we have your basic section where the white wall inserts will go, and on the back there's nothing, there's no markings on them. Big old suicide tires. Throw them back in the box. For decals, we have Ned's Plumbing, dial 555 drip, that's cute. Have North Carolina license plate, heartbeat, and 64 owner's guide. So you got a little thing there you could put on the dashboard kind of thing. Put a little chunk of cardboard under it, make it look like an actual book. A couple other little dots here and there of things. I think this is badging. And that looks like a little gauge, but I can't make it out. So, 64 Chevy pickup. Copyright 1996, Revell monogram. Always forget about monogram, you know. And here we have the instructions. 1964, the Beatles invaded America. Lyndon Johnson was in the White House. Blah, blah, blah. Just a little blurb. Not as in-depth as some kits recently, but there's something there, so it's better than a sharp stick in the eye, as I say. And here we go. Have the engine assembly. There's your carburetor. Oh, here they have the owner's manual laid out on the bench seat. That's a good place for it too, I guess. You'd be able to see it that way if you looked inside. Oh, that other little square clear glass was the instrument cover for your dashboard. I'm sorry you can't see that in the camera. There it is. Here we go. pretty standard. Looking for that other chunk of plastic though to see what that is. Oh, it's a roof. Okay. We have a roof, and then they have another roof that goes over the roof. So it's two roofs in one. I don't know, guys. I'd never seen it before. I never paid attention to whether they have two roofs or not. But that's what that extra chunk of plastic is another roof that goes on top of the roof. Think I can say roof again? Here we go. Some taillights. Oh, those are the chains and that for the tailgate. Those things, okay. And here's those other things that I thought were hood hinges, and they're actually the tail light assemblies. Okay. Yeah, I hadn't built too many of these particular kits. This is neat. A spare tire bracket, I mean. Yeah, looking right at it, still couldn't say it right. Alright, here put your engine into your frame with your drive shaft. Final assembly. Final assembly continued, so this wasn't really final assembly. This is final assembly. Put all the little bits on there. They call that a heater. I guess it's a heater box. We'll have to put a little notch in. Oh, it comes with a notch in the firewall. Okay, I didn't catch that. That'll be your blower, your squirrel cage blower motor in that. Mirrors, windshield wiper. Add on your bumper parts. Completed hood assembly. Very nice. These are hood hinges. Okay. Excellent. Well, there you have it, folks. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to see a lot more videos. And have yourselves a great day. Keep on modeling. See you on the next one.